Hello and welcome to Car Design Shorts. In this video, Tom Zia, a brilliant car designer, redesigns the Lamborghini Huracan. Launched in 2014, the Lamborghini Huracan is a two-seater V10 supercar that's around 4.5 meters long and just less than 2 meters wide, excluding wing mirrors. It exudes confidence and looks firmly planted to the road. Ever since the iconic Countach, Lamborghini sports cars have been famous for their distinctive wedge-like profile. The hood is short and the base of the windscreen pillars are placed quite far forwards. There's no engine under the hood, so there's nothing to prevent the front end from diving rapidly downwards. The engine is mounted behind the seats and the roof dives down into the rear end, helping to create the signature Lamborghini profile. In this video, Tom Zia reimagines the Lamborghini Huracan. You can see more of Tom's designs at tomlian_Zia on Instagram. Let's now watch Tom do what he does best.